Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of vocabulary. In this video, we are going to see 5 words, its meanings and sentences. Let's begin with the first word. It is haggled. Meaning is argue or negotiate persistently, especially over the cost of something. The word haggled is past of haggle. The main word is haggle. Okay. Next, the sentence with this word would be, she haggled with the street vendor for 10 minutes before agreeing on a fair price for the handmade scarf. So this haggled is negotiating. Okay. Let's go and see the next word, that is lurch. It means to move suddenly or unsteadily. As a noun, it refers to a sudden or unsteady movement, and we can see the sentence of verb and a noun. So as a verb, it is to move suddenly or unsteadily, and the movement is known as lurch. Okay, so it can be used as a verb and a noun as well. So the sentence is, the bus lurched forward when the driver slammed on the brakes. With a sudden lurch, the ship tilted to one side in the stormy sea. Here it is used as a noun, and here it is used as a verb. Next word is dreg. It means to the small amount of liquid that is left at the bottom of any container, often containing sediments. Okay. Sentence would be like, he drank the last dregs of coffee, cremacy at the bitter taste. When you use it figuratively, it means the least valuable or most undesirable part of something. Okay. So sentence in this such manner is, prison was filled with the dregs of society, forgotten and ignored. So usually the literal meaning is the sediments that is left over. Next word is bum. It means or refers to a person who avoids the work and lives by begging or doing very little. So a sentence using this word would be, he spent years as a bum, sleeping on park benches and refusing to find a job. Bum refers to a person, a lazy person, you can say. The last word for the video is innate. It means which exists from birth, which is natural or inborn, and it is by talent. It is like it is not a skill that is being learned later. So a sentence with that word would be, she has an innate talent for music, able to play complex melodies without any formal training. So it's something which is already there from the birth. So that word is known as innate. Hope these 5 words were useful to you. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a like, share this with your friends, and also comment your feedback in the comment box and tell me which word you like the most, and you can also make a sentence using that. Subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.